I'm joined here with Jimmy from Ergos, and we're going to talk a little bit about why Ergos decided to come with Red. So, Jimmy, please tell me a little bit about why you decided to try.
Yeah, we started with Red a long time ago, back when it was still Chat Genie. At the time, we were just looking for another avenue for our clients to be able to reach out to us and kind of a seamless way to tie back in. And so we started with Chat Genie, getting the chats into clients' Microsoft Teams, and then getting into Inbox and getting that set up. Recently, we've also now been moving forward to more of the new features, so it's been great.
Awesome. And what specifically, in terms of business objectives, were you looking to solve with Red and some of our AI feature sets?
Well, before the AI feature set, we're looking for chatting, but now we started off that. I think one of the biggest helps we've had so far is getting triage done. That's been great. I mean, we went from having 6 dispatchers to one, doing triage now, and so that's really helped a lot. And pretty soon we're hoping to get that down to, being like half a responsibility for somebody at this point. So,
Yeah, absolutely. And what did you do with those dispatchers where they moved over to like a level 1 technician role, something similar?
They moved into other roles for sure. Yeah, they're helping with like some project management stuff that we had. Some of them went into some accounting roles and things like that, helping with some low level accounts receivable tasks, that kind of stuff. So
Awesome.
I don't think that we actually lost any employees from it. We just found better uses for it.
Perfect. That's lovely. And final question here: what are you most excited about with Red coming in the near future?
I love where the AI is going. I really love the voice AI. It looks really great. I think that'd be great too. We still have a lot of people who are call routers right now who are, if the techs are all busy, somebody has to pick up that call and get it to somebody else. But there's only so many of them. And if we have a large wave of calls, we could have as many voice AIs running at a time, but there's only so many people to grab those calls. So I think in the end, that might be a really nice feature to have slotted in for us.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time. It was great to see you.
Likewise, man. Yeah.